something about it?
It's a quadcopter. It's a professional machine, and it is made actually for taking some aerial videos and photos.
Okay.
Aerial videos means that normally people want to take a big shot of a land, big shot of a historical place, big shot of a wedding party hall, but it's not possible to take normally. This is made for that particular thing, and it's not only for only wedding videos or professional shoots. A lot of applications are there, like rescue operations, search operation in forest and hill stations, in mountains. Like we took some videos during the earthquake time in Nepal for some shots there, and it was displayed and broadcast in the news channels. We have taken videos for promotions. We have given a lot of. We are mounting some things on this to promote a big brands. Like you have seen Idea IAN ad. They have a hexacopter which hangs a egg tray that was made by us. That was a flame wheel F550. So we are giving for multi-application platform. This can fly for 120 meters high. The best part of this is you can take HD 4K resolution. You can take 12 megapixel raw images. The best part of this is it has auto home comeback with GPS navigation, auto landing, auto takeoff, and it has inbuilt security features. You can fly in indoor. Just give me some space, please. Give me some space, please.
What is the distance?
Sir, it can cover maximum 6 kilometers, but normally you should fly in.
கடைக்குள்ளே போய் வாட்ச் செக்ஷன் கேட்டிங்கன்னா சொல்லுவாங்க.
Going automatically up. So take it outside.
வண்டிங்களா ஒரு 4 மணி நேரம்